Student, now look the next question. 12 Roman 6 5 to the power log x minus 3 to the power log x minus 1 equal to 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 5 to the power log x minus 1. This is the question, and from this value also, students, we have to solve first, and we need to find out the value of x from here. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, now look here how to solve this question. Here, first of all, student, I will just interchange some values. There is 5 log x, we'll take this one here. There is minus, it become plus after interchanging 5 log x minus 1, and there is 3 power is log x plus 1, we'll take this one on that side, become plus 3 log x minus 1. Now look, student, after that 5 log x plus, if we split up this value, so 5 log x into 5 to the power minus 1, after splitting up, base same power should be added, and there is 3 log x into 3 to the power 1, base same power should be added, splitting up. And student, here also the same things, 3 log x into 3 to the power minus 1, splitting up. Now look, student, after that there is 5 to the power minus 1, which means this should be like this, 5 log x plus 5 log x into 1 by 5. There is 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power 1, and there is 3 to the power log x into 1 by 3. Now look, student, after that, now look, 5 to the power log x plus 5 to the power log x by 5, multiplying. Here 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 3 to the power log x by 3, multiplying. Now look, student, I am just taking common 5 log x here. What will be happen here? Look here now, 5 to the power log x I am taking common, so remaining part will be 1 plus 1 by 5. After taking common this one, go for the multiplication, we will get same things here again. And there, student, from this place I am taking 3 to the power log x common, so remaining part would be here that 3 plus 1 by 3. Go for the multiplication, we'll get this one again. Student, now we'll take the LCM here, 5 to the power log x, there is LCM 5 1 is 5 plus 1, there is 3 to the power log x, LCM is 3 is a 9 plus 1. Now look, student, after that how to solve this portion. Look here now, 5 to the power log x, 5 plus 1 6 by 5, 3 to the power log x, 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now look, student, after that if we go for the division here, what will happen here, student? Look here now, 5 to the power log x, this will go on here, 3 to the power log x, and there is 10 by 3, it will go on divide here, so 6 by 5. Now look, student, after that log x power is same here, so we can write down this one as 5 by 3 whole to the power log x under 1 power, means under power is log x, under 1 power we have written like this. Now divide by divide, this will go on reciprocal, 10 by 3 into 5 by 6. Now student, look here 5 by 3 whole to the power log x, and there is there is 10 and there is 6, so multiple of 2, so there is 3 to the 6 and there is 5 to the 10. Look here, student, there is 5 into 5 and 3 into 3, which means, students, 5 square and 3 square, like this. Now look, next line will be here that 5 by 3 whole to the power log x, and there is 5 by 3 whole square. Now base same, powers are equal, so student, here we'll write down that log x equal to 2. This is the base, 5 by 3 is the base, and log x and 2 is the power, so base same, powers are equal, So like this. Now look student, after that, since there is log x, we can write 2 into 1. Now look, I am writing here by this side. Now come to this part. Now look here student, log x equal to, that is 2 into 1, so 2 into, if I write down log 10 by 10, this value is also 1, that's why in place of 1 I have written this one. Now look student, next one will be here log x, and there is 2 will be there, so log base 10 square, 10 square is 100 obviously. Now look, so next would be here 10x, and there is log base 10 square is 100. Student, there is only one. Already I told in my last few videos that we can take log 10 as the base anytime, because value of log 10 is 1. So here also student, if I write log 10 base and x, and there is log 10 base and 100, so log 10 cancel, so value of x would be 100. This is the answer of the question number 12 Roman 6.